Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present to you 5 of the best baby food maker and steamer 2022, a way to cook healthy baby food at home. For more informations about the products mentioned in this video, make sure you check the links in video description. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to get notifications when I produce more videos like this. Let's begin. First let's look at this baby food processor blender grinder steamer Fro Evla. It cooks and blends healthy homemade baby food in minutes. Very simple and easy to use, create fresh, healthy, homemade baby food with the touch of a button. Forget juggling multiple pots and pans while your precious bundle of joy is screaming in the corner. This multifunction baby food processor allows you to steam, blend, reheat and defrost. It even self-cleans. Just add some clean water and the machine does the rest. This unique steaming cycle locks in nutrients, flavors and vitamins, ensuring your little one benefits from tasty and healthy homemade food. It fits perfect within any kitchen interior with style. Compact and sleek design makes it the ideal addition to your kitchen worktop, but more importantly, less clutter. For more information about this product, check the links in video description.
Parents have enough on their plate before it even comes to feeding time. What if you could serve baby what you're already cooking for the rest of the family without worrying about consistency, bite size, or incorporating enough protein into baby's diet? With Babycook, you can. It's one appliance from Brezza to rule them all. Making chicken and potatoes? You can put raw chicken and veggies in the Babycook to steam and puree. And in 15 minutes, have a complete, healthy meal your little one can share with the whole family. Making your own food with Babycook saves over $1,000 per year per child. Babycook takes the guesswork out of what's hiding behind a label or in a food pouch, letting parents keep a close eye on what goes into baby's tummy.
Do you want to make homemade baby food but think it's too hard or takes too long? With Baby Brezza's glass one-step food maker, nutritious homemade baby food is a breeze. The glass food maker automatically steams and blends fresh veggies, fruits, and meats in minutes for healthy, homemade baby food. It's the only baby food maker with a glass bowl, and its large 4-cup capacity can make multiple meals at once with the press of one button. The unique Viper blade blends food with precision to the perfect consistency, and it's easy to use and clean. The steam tank is fully accessible, the water tank is removable, and the glass bowl and blades are dishwasher safe. Not only is homemade baby food better for your baby's development, you can save hundreds of dollars a year versus store-bought baby food. The Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Food Maker was chosen Baby Food Maker of the Year in 2018 by Baby Center, and moms are raving about it. Make mealtime your favorite time with the Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Food Maker.
This baby food maker is from Baby Must. It has a 5-in-1 multifunctions, steam/sterilize/auto blend/manual blend/warming milk functions. This do-it-all device making your own baby food will definitely provide natural food nutrition for your baby and save your money. From meats to fish and fruit to veggies, our do-it-all baby food processor makes baby food with different consistency to suit each feeding stage. The special design steaming cycle locks in nutrients and vitamins, ensuring your baby benefits from tasty and healthy homemade food. It is one of Baby must-have items. Widened water tank and spill-proof cover make it more easy to clean, even after stubborn foods like spinach or carrots. All components are dishwasher safe, except the main body, for quick cleanup. It is the perfect baby essentials for newborns. For more information about this product, check the links in video description. This is the Bear Baby Food Maker. A one-step baby food maker steamer and blender. It has a built-in menu to automatically customize time for vegetable, fruit, fish or meat for your baby. Just choose a function. The baby food steamer and blender can complete the rest, eliminating tedious and redundant steps. It's greatly suited for new moms and dads. Bear Baby Food Maker is supplement steamer and blender in one device with no plastic basket required. No need to move ingredients, no more separate equipment. No need to wash redundant accessories with water, more environmentally friendly. The unique steaming cycle locks in nutrients, flavors and vitamins, ensuring your little one benefits from tasty and healthy homemade food. Baby Food Blender is equipped with 400 milliliters mixing bowl and 4 high-quality precision blades running at 2,875 R per minute to cook baby food in minutes. This baby food maker comes with a heat-resistant handle and a safety lock to prevent inadvertent operation and keep you safe. Its water shortage reminder function will remind you when baby steamer is low on water. For more information about this product, check the links in video description.